Introducing the highly anticipated single-cylinder supermoto from Ducati, the Hypermotorrad 698 Mono. Powered by the newly developed 659cc Superquadro single-cylinder engine, making 77.5 horsepower at 9750 rpm and 63 Nm of torque at 8000 rpm. It comes equipped with desmodromic valve actuation and titanium intake valves, plus it features an oval section throttle with an under-throttle injector. The Hypermotorrad is capable of a maximum power of almost 85 horsepower and can rev up to 10,250 rpm with an optional racing exhaust, making it the most powerful road-going single-cylinder ever. The electronics package includes sports ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and launch control. Optional extras include a quick shifter, which is standard on the RVE version, and an upgrade for the wheelie control that adds a wheelie assist. There are 4 riding modes, each of which combines all electronic aids with 3 engine modes to suit different scenarios. The modes are customizable, all via the 3.8-inch LCD dashboard. The ABS system features a slide-by-brake function too, which assists with brake-induced power slides. The 4 ABS levels include a full beginner mode with much intervention, 2 intermediate modes with varying degrees of slide-by-brake assistance, and a setting for experienced riders, where ABS is only active on the front. Braking is handled by a Brembo M4324 piston radial caliper in the front, gripping a 330mm brake disc with an aluminum carrier for weight savings, while the rear sports a 240mm disc. The front suspension includes lightweight 45mm Marzocchi upside-down forks with full adjustability and 213mm of travel. At the rear, a fully adjustable Sachs monoshock providing 240mm of travel. The bike also features cast alloy wheels, fitted with Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires. The wet weight without fuel is 151 kilograms, and the seat height is 904 mm, which can be lowered to 889 mm with the optional low seat accessory.